Ever felt like you're on the sidelines while others are exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading? Maybe you've heard about Tezos, this innovative blockchain platform, and Gemini, a trusted name in the crypto exchange space, but putting the two together feels like solving a complex puzzle. You're not alone. Many newcomers and even seasoned crypto enthusiasts sometimes need a clear roadmap to navigate the intricacies of trading specific digital assets on particular platforms. Think about it, the crypto market is a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. New coins emerge, established platforms update their interfaces, and the sheer volume of information can be overwhelming. You might be asking yourself, where do I even begin? How do I ensure my trades are secure? What are the key features I need to understand on Gemini to trade Tezos effectively? This video is designed to be your comprehensive guide, cutting through the noise and providing you with a step-by-step walkthrough on how to trade Tezos, XTZ, on the Gemini exchange. We'll start with the fundamentals, ensuring you have a solid understanding of both Tezos and Gemini, and then dive into the practicalities of setting up your account, funding it, navigating the trading interface, placing different types of orders, and finally, understanding how to manage your Tezos holdings. Before we jump into the how-to, let's briefly touch upon the what and the why. What exactly is Tezos? At its core, Tezos is a self-amending blockchain platform. This means that the network can upgrade itself without the need for a hard fork, a process that can sometimes be disruptive in other blockchain ecosystems. Tezos utilizes a proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism where participants can bake their tokens to secure the network and earn rewards. This innovative governance model and energy-efficient consensus mechanism are some of the reasons why Tezos has garnered significant attention in the crypto space. Now, why Gemini? Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange and custodian that prides itself on its security, regulatory compliance, and user-friendly interface. Founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, Gemini has established itself as a reputable platform for both beginners and experienced traders. Its commitment to security and transparency provides a comfortable environment for users looking to buy, sell, and store digital assets like Tezos. Gemini offers a range of features, including advanced trading tools, robust security measures, and educational resources, making it a solid choice for trading Tezos. Alright, with that foundational understanding in place, let's get practical. The first step, if you haven't already, is to create an account on Gemini. Head over to the Gemini website or download their mobile app. You'll need to go through a standard registration process, which typically involves providing your email address and creating a strong password. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies, so make sure your password is unique and complex. Once you've registered, the next crucial step is identity verification, often referred to as Know Your Customer, KYC. This is a regulatory requirement for most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, including Gemini, to prevent fraud and ensure compliance. You'll likely need to provide personal information such as your name, address, date of birth, and upload a government-issued photo ID, like a passport or driver's license. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and ensure the information you provide is accurate. The verification process might take a little time, so be patient. With your account set up and verified, the next logical step is to fund your Gemini account. You'll need to deposit funds to have capital to trade Tezos. Gemini offers various funding options, including bank transfers, debit card deposits, and even cryptocurrency transfers from other wallets. The available methods and processing times may vary depending on your location and the chosen method. Navigate to the deposit or funding section of your Gemini account, select your preferred method, and follow the instructions. Keep in mind that some methods might have associated fees, so it's always a good idea to be aware of these beforehand. Once your funds have successfully landed in your Gemini account, you're ready to navigate to the trading interface and find Tezos. Typically, exchanges list cryptocurrencies in pairs, such as XTZ/USD or XTZ/BTC. This indicates that you're trading Tezos against the US dollar or Bitcoin, respectively. On Gemini, you'll likely find the XTZ/USD pair, allowing you to buy and sell Tezos using US dollars. Locate the Trade or Market section on the Gemini platform. You should be able to search for Tezos or browse the list of available cryptocurrencies. Once you find the XTZ/USD trading pair, click on it to access the Tezos trading chart and order entry interface. Now, let's talk about placing orders. Gemini offers different types of orders to cater to various trading strategies and risk tolerances. The two most common types are market orders and limit orders. A market order is the simplest type of order. When you place a market order to buy Tezos, you are instructing the exchange to execute your order at the best available current price. Similarly, a market order to sell will execute at the highest available bid price. Market orders are typically filled quickly, but you have less control over the exact price you pay or receive. A limit order, on the other hand, allows you to specify the exact price at which you want to buy or sell Tezos. If you want to buy Tezos at a specific price lower than the current market price, you would place a buy limit order. Your order will only be executed if the market price drops to your specified limit price or lower. Conversely, if you want to sell Tezos at a specific price higher than the current market price, you would place a sell limit order, and it will only be executed if the market price rises to your limit price or higher. Limit orders give you more control over the price, but there is no guarantee your order will be filled if the market doesn't reach your specified price. Beyond market and limit orders, Gemini also offers more advanced order types like stop limit orders and fill or kill orders, which can be useful for more sophisticated trading strategies. However, for beginners, understanding market and limit orders is a great starting point. When placing an order, you'll need to specify the amount of Tezos you want to buy or sell, or the amount of your quote currency, e.g., USD, you want to spend or receive. Double-check all the details of your order before confirming, including the order type, price, if it's a limit order, and the amount. Once you're confident, click the Buy or Sell button to submit your order. After you've placed an order, you can usually track its status in the Orders or Order History section of your Gemini account. If it's a market order, it should be filled almost instantly. If it's a limit order, it will remain open until it's either filled at your specified price, canceled by you, or expires if you set an expiration time. Once your buy order is filled, the Tezos you purchased will be reflected in your Gemini wallet balance. Similarly, if you sell Tezos, the corresponding amount of the quote currency, e.g., USD, will be credited to your account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.